Might see the man I call my girl phone, dog. So you tell me say a badness you push. You a push badness. So get up then now.
Nobody's not push. Nobody's not push.
What you mean? You know see?
No, we are talking.
You know see the man I talk about badness.
We are talking.
The man I call my girl phone, dog. So get up then now. What me I gonna do find out then now? Get up now. Get up then now, I'ma find out. So get up then now. Mario, get up then, I'ma show you.
Novoo Pandorahh.
Yes, sir. And you don't know it's really so easy, right? And I'm back with the next 50. Yo! Today I'm going around accusing random Jamaican man for cheating with my girl. And I don't know more than 3,000 likes for this video. I'm gonna get a part 2 without even the 3,000 likes because we never get to finish it the way I really want to finish it. But when I don't know where the thing I go around right now, we just have to just be careful and wash your hand before putting it in your mouth, yeah? Don't contact your face with your hand. Is it? Yeah. Real supporters, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Notification gang, big up. Bang them off forward, you know. Bang off forward like crazy. Trust and believe me. Oh gosh, don't touch my face, you know.
Banana chip. Yo, Tick man. Thing good? Are you called my girl's phone last night?
Which girl phone?
Kenny's. What you mean you don't know Kenny's? So you call my girl phone for dog? Might you lock down my youth? Eh? Might you just say you call my girl phone last night, dog? So that me I say, where you call?
I'm with that try, brother.
Might a fight, we gonna fight then, you know. No, my youth, I want to hear, dog. But you man a laugh. You don't agree, so you did my girl in a dog.
But dog, are your girl if you go link, brother?
Oh wow.
General, you know Scott?
Scott.
Yeah, my brother. Oh. No. You know, see me have a girl named Crystal though, but you see, like I hear her face, I call her up on her WhatsApp.
No, sir.
Eh? Yeah, man, when I smile, all I go me and say, no, when are you there, man? Why your WhatsApp picture? No, you there on your WhatsApp picture?
Me?
Yeah. What there on your WhatsApp picture? Pro picture.
Picture of sitting there. Man, they mark my candy.
So now that I sip on my girl. My general, yeah, call my girl phone when she locked down, dog. Might say, yeah, take my girl, dog. General. Might you not call my girl last night. Crystal, man. My general, yeah, smooth talk, man. Yeah, take my girl. A real thing, man. Are you real thing? You never call my girl Crystal yet. So Anna my girl there with. I can't believe the man there with my girl and they are smiling on my face, dog. That me feel like a you might me see a call her, dog. My girl I give me a bun with that tall man. What you do? You get her money. What you mean you're done? So a fight you want to fight then? Oh gee. Thing good? You know Maurice? Yeah. I don't know, but last night me and her did a Yazid. I'm see her WhatsApp picture like urine come up on her phone. And you call her? First you see me? I generally I take my girl, my youth. Me and her locked down last night, my time you call her for her phone, dog. You don't know Maurice? You come from Westmoreland? How small and come from to my youth? Mate, I can't joke, dog. So you not call no girl last night? So your phone there? My, I'll buy that, mate. You really take my girl, dog? Don't play me, no, dog. Don't call about my girl phone, dog. Man, I'm serious, you know. Are your friend this? My tell a friend don't call my girl phone, dog. And I'm gonna turn him back while me attack. What that? What that for my G? Might see the man call my girl phone, dog. So you tell me say badness you push. You a push badness? So get up then now.
Nobody's not push. Nobody's not push.
What you mean? You know see?
No, we are talking.
You know see the man talk about badness.
Who you are talking?
Might the man call my girl phone, dog. So get up then now. What me I gotta do find out then now? Get up now. Get up then now, mama find out. So get up then now. Mayo, get up then now, mama show you.
Do something now. Hold on. Do something now. You know YouTube channel yesterday, so I know say I'm prank. You don't do it, dog. You don't do it.
I must see you again.
What kind of smile may I do?
I don't know, one nice one.
Where I go, my general? Are you with a call Keisha phone last night? The man laughed, dog, a joke thing. General, your face must come up on the WhatsApp call, man.
One look like on YouTube.
I look like YouTuber, my youth. But you man a laugh for my thing after I come to him and talk about General, guess what going on? Don't call my cell phone, you hear that? You serious? Serious, my youth. Tall brown Keisha, man. I see her call her phone last night, you know, my G. You know call Keisha phone last night? Now you name Chris.
No, brother.
My general. You call my girl phone while she locked down. Now you call my girl phone last night. You have credit? You don't have credit. A WhatsApp call. You don't have Wi-Fi in your yard. So you never know nobody named Keisha. My general, oh yeah, mostly like you don't want to talk. May I ask you a question? Big up sharp boss. Yo, my G, I hear that call my girl phone last night.
Yeah? Probably, you know.
Crystal, you know Crystal?
Crystal, you know, she's the machine.
Yo, the man a smile on my face, dog.
I saw you go, man.
Might I call my phone, my girl phone, at night time. Eh?
What is her name? Crystal?
Might don't laugh with me, no youth. Might stop laughing with me. Are you a friend? So you make the man call my phone at night time, dog?
Sorry.
Eh? Wait.
After me no live with him, so
My boy, you can't control the man and tell the man to don't call my girl phone, dog. I want to hear my youth.
don't answer
Eh?
the phone. She wrong to answer the phone.
My door back chop man either, dog. Now I laugh. You see me I laugh?
Me I laugh though.
Greetings, G. What you know? Office work you do? I see I call my girl number last night, dog, when she locked down, G. What kind of style like?
Wrong man, When I was that road last night, about 3:30. Where dog name college?
Ken must come up.
Wrong man.
But I hear a picture of my G.
No,
I said the girl pulled in.
I know me. I know Kid Mini.
What your name, my G?
I know me big man.
My general, yeah, I call my girl phone, she
Where
locked
last
down,
night?
dog.
Call your girl, where she there?
I don't know which one should I.
You know forward, man. Go ID, I tell you.
So you say I'm him. Oh, you know if I'm not the man. Oh, you pick up for the man and the man not talk.
Yeah, fuck you, the farm. With that road, that's that. Who that? So what you say? If you're G go, Zane apart, but one flex. Ask me go on. Let's say you're G. And you know what stage you did last time. Where go say?
Me I pick up for him either way.
Alright.
So my generally, and you are call my girl.
No, I don't know your girl.
My girl I give me bun my youth. I must you dog. Are your friend them this? All your friend them I love them know the thing dog. Man, the man them a cover fear dog. A joke thing this.
Where camera?
Which camera you ask about my youth? A serious thing me I talk to you about. So one girl you have? Eh? My G. But you man I ignore my dog. Oh, I'm for the video. I'm come to the man. Approach your dog. So you pick up for the man and the man I talk dog. No, so a badness you approve then. Cause you stand up. A badness you approve, my G. Yeah, but yeah, I know you may talk to. See the man I fold him and bag of thing. Oh, yeah, make a call. Yeah, make a call, my G. Yeah, make a call. See your brethren and make a call, might a fight him or fight. Man, me look like me a joke.
Brother, call the girlfriend.
What you talk about? What you talk about? What you talk about? I load up him voice, man. I'm not even adjust him on you. So much man I pick up for the man, dog. I see the man that's bad up the thing, my youth. That's not necessary, my general. Fight more fight, you know. Fight more fight. Big up yourself. Guidance is you.
Look at
What you say?
One time I get serious.
What you do plan for run?
No, me already. Right now, me want my home and a few man.
Oh, Troubling TV, man. Check it out, man.
Yeah, me tell you some recognize the party. Are you eating half a tree with the eggs?
What you say, one nearly catch you? No. No, but no,
you go very close, you know. You never say Kev.
Kev. Oh, Kevin name. Oh, Kevin name.
But me run to my brain and me say last night, no. I do no crime last night.
Yeah.
That work.
Got this banana chips for you.
No, you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunch it, crunch it.